All right, this is one of probably about 30 no cooling calls we have this morning. Just poured in. Everybody's power came back on yesterday and last night, and I tell you, it wreaks havoc on the HVAC systems to have the power blinking off and on. I've been to this house before. Looks like they have some Carrier ICP brand condenser. But they got no indoor fan, no power, no nothing to it. Let's go take a look in the attic first. Bet anything this right here is the problem. Yep, you see it jumping. And I hear the coil getting cold. I'm just holding the red and green together and not getting shocked. Tell you what, most people are shocked when they find out their electrician is not very good. All right. Let's take that out. I'm telling you right now, that's the problem. See how fast pull this blower out of this machine. Just to demonstrate how easy these trains are to repair. Pink, white, ground, and the big plug. Well, see what we can do. I just brought the whole thing up here out of another air handler, and I do believe this will be fine. The power and computers and everything is still down at train, and I just happen to have another 3.5 ton TIM 4 air handler on the floor. So let's get the customer back going, and then we'll just replace the warranty motor and easy peasy. Should have brought my drill, but I only have 1.5 hands. This should be pretty easy. So these controllers look a little different. See how small this one is compared to the other one? But it wires exactly the same. Grounds are stacked. Number 3 right above that ground. We got white on number 4. And pink on number 5. I wish this disconnect wasn't hung up goofy looking at that angle, but it works. There she blows. I was about to let go, but it felt good drawing that air across me here in this attic. It's a little warm up here. All right. Let's get his door back on. Go turn it on from the thermostat and let the customer celebrate. I don't know whether it was a storm or what it was, but
I thought it was either a capacitor or a motor or something like that, but like I said, it was under warranty, so I wasn't about to go opening panels. And
yeah, these motors don't have capacitors.
oh, they don't?
Not the indoor one.
Does the unit have a control board on it?
Should be up. No.
No.
I think the thermostat has a 5-minute delay. Apparently. Now this thing's hot because we were jumping it out without the yellow signal, which doesn't run the outdoor fan. So that's why this condenser got a little bit warm. So I certainly hope there's no problem with this outdoor fan. We're gonna find out. There she comes. Sure enough, blowing warm air pretty quick. I'd say they're okay. Somebody's been cleaning this coil with the wrong kind of chemical. Ate some of the paint off of it. So I'm going to offer to set them up on a maintenance plan, or at least come do some maintenance at least once. In my opinion, it might be good. In my opinion, it might be a good idea to go through it. I remember putting that air handler in some time back. I think we could not get a coil, or we could not get something for the Temp Star, the ICP air handler. So I don't know if it was because of the TXV stuff back in them days, or what it was. But at least they're up and cooling. All right, thanks for watching.